Wow, look at this lightning strike. He took this picture of lightning again just a little while ago. So many lightning strikes tonight, over 1,200. Rebecca, you've been watching this system all night long. What do we need to know about it? What's it doing now?
The most remarkable and most dangerous part is definitely those lightning strikes, because they have been so just coming, like you said, in the thousands, over 1,000 counted, and 1,200 something, I believe the Weather Service said. Yeah, and the National Weather Service has been so busy too. It's even tough to check in to get those numbers.
Right.
But looking at the rain rates, that's the second most impressive thing, if not next to lightning strikes. The amount of rainfall that was coming down in some of these storms, even though they didn't hang around for an hour, it was Doppler radar estimated at up to 3 inches an hour of rain coming down at one time, and that would be in those areas that are highlighted in red. Now this is a future radar of clouds and rain, and I just wanted to show you how the models captured this really nicely. This is from University of Washington, putting it to motion. We have this exclusive Doppler radar estimate. Particular model really helps in showing us where the rain's going to head. And we have that second batch of thunderstorms coming up around South Rainier right now, and that is expected to head a little bit farther over to the east, and that's what's going to bring some potential of flash flooding along the east slopes of the Cascades. But we'll continue with some very cool weather and a lot of heavy showers tonight into tomorrow. As we look at our SchoolNet stations, just want to show you a few more. Bellingham has also had over a half an inch of rain, getting a little close to half an inch for Mercer Island and for Bonnie Lake, but the most has definitely been at SeaTac. The rain gauge here, 0.85 inches of rain from the storm that came through. Impressive. 61 degrees outside right now. Humidity, obviously 90%. We're still getting some light rain at this point, and winds are out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Now what we have, cool weather has come in, and basically this is a way of Mother Nature rolling the atmosphere over to try to cool us off. Kind of got kicked by autumn here as it kicked summer out the door. Only a high of 67 degrees. So current temperatures right now in the low 60s, even into the upper 50s already. We're not going to get too far away from the mid 60s when we get into our day tomorrow. And keep in mind, we're still going to have showers. But here's where the lightning strikes and thunderstorms are right now. You can see in the 1 hour loop how that massive batch traveled pretty quickly. Now all north of I-90, going up North 405 and up into Bellingham, Whatcom County too. Here's our new batch coming up the Cascades. Right now we're not seeing lightning strikes immediately in the foothills, but taking lightning off, so you can see where the heavy rain is. You can see we're still getting some extremely heavy rainfall just to the east of Bellingham, impacting Marble Mount, Concrete, down to Sultan and Gold Bar. You're getting some pretty heavy rain too. As we go a little farther down I-5, starting to see lighter rain now as we get into Bothell and also around Kenmore. Now zooming in to the north, our moderate to heavy rain certainly impacting Everett right now. You're probably getting some rain rates around half an inch an hour in some of these heavy showers. The highest amounts are now tracking into the North Cascades. But let's take a wide look here at the radar to show us the satellite together. Here's the disturbance that brought us the thunderstorms in the bright yellow line. See how it's moving rather slowly eastward and out of the picture. What's coming in is a whole new cold front. And as that tracks in overnight, it pulls in a big trough of cold, low pressure. Keeps us in a showery pattern, it keeps us wet, and it keeps us pretty chilly here, considering we should be in the low 70s. We're going to be lucky to be in the mid to upper 60s for highs. So Sunday we're going to have rain showers, not like what we've got tonight. Tonight is when we keep the heavy rain showers and the risk of a thunderstorm around Puget Sound, but that's going to wrap up, and we're going to see the winds carry this disturbance out for us, but we're going to stay showery. Rain showers will continue for our day tomorrow, and it will be cool. So we'll talk more about that 7-day forecast. It's a soggy one. Monday is another pretty rainy day too, but we get a 2-day break Wednesday and Thursday.